I am Leslie, and I will tell about of the social network service because this is one of the most popular topics today. Well, a social network service is a kind of website which allows its users to share their thoughts, ideas, photographies, and videos with people who have the same interests and hobbies as they do. The idea started in 1990. People began to form internet communities to support their efforts to meet new people. The most popular social networks are Facebook, Twitter, Skype, MySpace, Bebo, and other. Millions of people use it daily in all the world. Well, now this is a big problem because most people spend hours on the internet and especially in social networks. The most important problem that the social network was is the cyberbullying. That it is the use of information technology to harm or harms other people in a deliberate, repeated, hostile manner. This led to millions of suicides around the world, especially suicides of teens. But not all is bad. The social network is a very useful tool. For example, Julian Porter had published a study on how new biotechnology firms are using the social networks sites to have exchange in scientific college. Thanks to social networks, we can communicate in an easy way around the world. Well, in conclusion, I think that the social networks is a very useful tool, but we learned to use in a good way. Thank you.